alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear brothers and sisters, we all know that unity is important. It's very critical that all of us become one ummah, one united. Look at this video here. This is during the Vietnam War back in, I think, 1965. Yeah, when the American got involved in the Vietnam War and against the Vietnamese. But nevertheless, look at the how they collaborated, how the Vietnamese, they all got together, women, men, everybody. The women here, you're seeing them holding a bridge, for the army or for the soldiers to be able to get to the other side. So, and uh, and that's what's important. We're all now, standing against the genocide going on in Gaza. We're all Palestinian. We're all Muslims. Together with one voice, inshallah azza wa jal, to be able to send a very strong message to those that think that they're on the right path.